Hello everybody, how are you? Today I'll be doing a science experiment. And you think this headband is a paper? It looks like a paper. It is a paper because I made it by myself. That's nothing. We will start our experiment. We have 3 experiments. One is a milk experiment, magic milk something that we're doing right now. And a volcano, and we are doing dancing raisins at the end. Let's start! We have 4 colors: orange, blue, green, and red food coloring. Now let's put some food coloring here. First we'll do orange food coloring. Take these sticks. Now I'm gonna dip it in the soap. Oh, that was so beautiful. The volcano thing, so I thought to do it in these bottles with these 4 colors. There's vinegar in these bottles, and it smells horrible. Now first we have to put this, but first we have to put this. So I'm gonna put 3 drops of orange food coloring here. Is it right? No. 2 and 3. Green. Put red. Okay, red is too much. That's okay. Now we'll do blue, our last color. I think for these goggles, I need to remove my headband. Try again. Looking for. Okay, now we will add baking soda and pour it here. Oh, big spoon. What if it fell? Okay, I'm so excited. It did fall. I won't touch it. Can we touch it? Is it all? No, it's not all. Ooh, it's like a bubble. A whole big spoon. Okay, let's get it fit. I hope it doesn't fit. It's okay, it's always good. It is pink. Oh, that's a bubble. It's not getting up. Maybe more. It needs more. You have to put this a whole time. A long time. Come on! That's okay. Sister is gonna try. Mama! That wasn't. Oh. When we mix baking soda and vinegar, they create bubbles of gas called carbon dioxide. This makes the lava come out of the volcano. Oh, it's going down! Only this worked, and this didn't, this didn't. Even though I tried. I want to mix them all. I will try dancing raisin. We need Sprite. This is Sprite. We took Sprite, or we know the sparkling water. We got Sprite because it's clear, and then we can see the raisins. Now we have raisin. One's coming up. 3 came up. Now 1 came down. Don't know which one down. Oh, 3 are up. Another is up. Oh, wow, there's so many. The bubbles stick to the raisins, making them float to the top. When the bubbles pop, the raisins sink back down. Dancing up and down. So silly. Oh, the down ones look so silly. They're not dancing, they're sleeping. I think there's enough dancing raisins for today. This was all experiments. I hope you like my video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.